Welcome back to 944 Muscle. On this video I am going to be working on the 944. I haven't had any problems with it since the last video I made was about the AC. AC still working real good. We're in October 2nd already, so I won't be needing the AC probably anymore. Starting to cool down, but car's running good, everything's working great. It's like a tank. These cars are built to last. As long as you take care of them, they'll keep working. But I think the Porsche got jealous because when I was at AutoZone getting a part for the Nismo right here, the Nismo needed spark plugs, so I used the Porsche to go get the spark plugs, and the Porsche got jealous because when I got in the car and I put it in reverse, the passenger's side view mirror just popped off. So I ordered it on Amazon and it came in pretty quick. I'll leave the link in the description. And I don't really do a lot of unboxings, but I'll just do this one real quick. This is the side view mirror. The name of the company is exactafit. You just put in the year, make, and model, and they should send you the right part. So this is the mirror, and it comes with 3M tape, and it's like that, and then like that. And what I'm going to use is this water bottle mixed with alcohol, and I'm going to clean that up, the backing of the side view mirror. I'm going to put this clamp and use this to hold it down, and I'll just leave the clamp on overnight just in case. Probably doesn't need it, but it's good to be a little bit more careful. Alright, so let's get this camera set up. has a front and a back. So the front is when you can see the letters exact fit. That's the front. If that matters to you, it doesn't really matter. It'll fit either way. So I'll just leave that on a few hours, then I'll just leave that on for a few hours and then take it off, and then it should be good.